Hello everyone, I have with me Mr. Raghunath Patil, QC head at Prism RMC. So thank you for your time, sir. So my first question to you would be, so can you just walk us through the quality control processes that you adopt for your products?
Actually, we have more than 100 ready-mix plant for Pan India, around 47 major cities, and we supplied a different grade of concrete from M10 to M100. So we have very stringent quality control system for all the plants. So starting from the beginning of the incoming raw materials from the process inspection and final inspection. So for incoming raw materials, actually we have inspection and testing plan. So all the raw materials we check thoroughly as per the specification. We accept all the raw materials which is as per the standard quality, and then only process for the production. And after supplying the concrete to the customer sites, actually we take the concrete sample for the final products, and we check this concrete strength for the period at the age of 7 and 20 days, and we confirm the quality of the parameters which meets as per the standard requirement. So like that, all these plants actually we have a QCI certified. This is Quality Council of India, and after every 6 months actually we conduct the audit from the third party, and we ensure all the quality parameters meets as per the special requirements.
So as monsoon is round the corners, also the repairing and retrofitting would be, it is just catching up. So what are your special products for repairing and retrofitting?
For repairing and retrofitting works, we have designed special two products. One is Prism Mini and Prism Fix. So Prism Mini is the concrete which is supplied in bags. Generally the concrete we supply in transit mixer with quantity of 6 to 7 cubic meter as per the requirement. But in case of small application, the customer needs a very small quantity which is in the range of 0.5 to 2-3 cubic meter. And such a small quantity, it is very difficult to supply in transit mixer. That's why we have designed this product which can be supplied in the bags of 0.5 cubic meters, means around 40 bags with 30 kg of each bags. So this concrete, the shelf life of this concrete is up to 6 hours we can use, and this is the concrete ready to use. There is no need to add anything into the site. So for a small repairing work, just it needs to open the bag and it needs to fill into the structure. So it gets all the required parameters. So customer will get the required workability, they get the required strength of concrete, and the concrete grade we have available from M20 up to M60 grade. So as per the customer requirement, we supply the concrete into the bags. So that is a Prism Mini. Second product we have a Prism Fix. So Prism Fix is a wet micro concrete, which is a non-shrink wet micro concrete, which is ready to use, which is also supplied in bags of 30 kg bags. And this concrete is also, the shelf life is up to 6 hours. So here this from retrofitting work, the micro concrete is already available in the market, but that is comes in dry form, and it is very difficult to maintain the water cement ratio and to maintain the required quality at site in case of dry. But our products, which is no need to add anything into site, just that concrete just to open and need to put into this structure. So customer will get the required parameters. So all the parameters we have maintained along with strength, durability of concrete, and main the adhesion strength, because this old and new concrete should be adhesion properly. So that's why this property is having in that particular concrete. And if the structure thickness is less than 75 mm, we use only this fine aggregates to meet the performance. If the thickness is more than 75 mm, then we use 10 mm down aggregate in the particular concrete, so the structure will get the desired parameters. So these two products we have specially designed for the repair and retrofitting works.
So as we speak about these products, like how do you address customer complaints? Like what are your methods to do that?
Yeah, ma'am. Customer complaints or customer feedback is very important for us. So any customer complaints, first we register all these complaints. We do the root cause analysis of these complaints. We address all these customer challenges, and to avoid such customer or customer issues or customer complaints again, so we take the precautionary measures to all the location. So all these locations, all the plants, we have these quality systems, quality in charge is all there, and all the sales managers. So they collect all this information, and we work on all the customer complaints, and we address time to time.
Okay, anything else you want to add regarding your products, you can add.
Along with these two products, we have 27 value-added products in ready-mix concrete, generally, which is we design to address the various construction challenges at the site.
So thank you for your explanation.